Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for May 2026. So let's see the energies. This is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Sagittarius, kaperahan para sa mga Sag. What's the energy ngayong May? Harvest, meron kang aanihin. It's the time of harvest, panahon ng ani. Ito yung makikita mo na yung resulta ng mga efforts mo, pinagpaguran mo, yung mga sacrifices mo. 'Di ba? And then, you have victory. Wow! O, 'di ba? Sinasabi sa'yo na ikaw ay panalo. Paldo ka. Paldong-paldo sa career, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Meron kayo celebrate. So, this can be the good harvest na isa-celebrate mo. Or, ito yung rewards, recognition sa'yo sa work. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may promotion, may salary increase, meron kayong award na marireceive, so you will be recognized. Ayan, wisdom. This is about knowledge. Meron kang you are going to tap into your knowledge, to your mga kaalaman, no, na ano yung pwede mong gawin doon sa mga kaalaman na yon na pwede mong pagyamanin, 'di ba? For example, meron kang masarap na recipe ng dish, ng luto, 'di ba? So, isipin mo paano mo 'yun mo-monetize, 'di ba? Pwede mo siyang ibenta or i-share, upload sa social media, and maaring doon ka na magsimula ng bagong journey mo, 'di ba? So, maraming opportunities for you when you use your knowledge and skill set pagdating sa career, sa business, or ano man yung potential na source of income para sa'yo. Okay, what else for Sagittarius? You have cloud, ayan. So, meron ditong maaring may gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon. Pwedeng hindi ka ganun kasigurado sa mga gagawin mo or sa direksyon na tatahakin mo. But I see na anytime soon, ngayong May, magiging clear sa'yo yung visions mo. Like, magiging conscious ka sa pag-create ng anything that you feel is aligned to your abilities, to your talents, to your skill set. Okay? And then, you have Pegasus. So, Pegasus is about freedom, kalayaan. You have more freedom to do your job, do your career. Yung ba sa inyo, kayo ay self-employed, wala kayong boss, or ang career path ninyo ay nasa creation wherein nagtatrabaho lang kayo kapag feel ninyo or kailangan ninyo. Or ayan yung isa sa goal ninyo na maging ganun yung sitwasyon nyo na hindi nyo kailangang mag-report sa isang company, sa isang tao pagdating sa trabaho. And this is also about realizing your infinite potential. Marami kang kayang gawin. Okay? So you are finally using or utilizing your knowledge, your skills, abilities when it comes to your income. Flying fish. Ayan. So, ang flying fish, di ba, ito yung taking a leap of faith. This is being adventurous in your career. Meron kang courage, lakas ng loob. Kasi ang mga isda naman, di ba, technically, nasa tubig lang sila. Pero, ito, flying fish, may kakayanan siyang lumipad. It's like you are coming out of your comfort zone, getting out of your comfort zone to try new things. So, pwede nyo ito-try mo, mga bagong possibilities, bagong career, trabaho, or business source of income for you ngayong May 2026. Let's see what else for Sagittarius. You have the Hierophant. So, ito ay mentorship. Maaring magkukonsulta ka sa isang tao na alam mong expert sa field ng interest mo. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, as Sagittarius, kayo mismo yon, no? Yung abilities nyo, skill set ninyo ay kumbaga hinug na para i-share sa iba. So, maaring kayo mag-offer ng mga lessons or ng courses, i-share nyo yung abilities nyo. Pwede rin tong content creation, like ipopost mo kung ano yung expertise mo and you will be rewarded, no? You have the emperor. So, this is about being in business. Ano man yung abilities mo, knowledge and skill set mo, imo-monetize mo yan. You are going to build an empire out of your knowledge and abilities. Hindi siya masyadong madali, okay? Maaring ito, i-test ka ng universe na tinan nga natin kung talagang desidido si Sagittarius sa kanyang mga plano. So may mga challenges, but with the 9 of Wands, you will stand your ground. Paninindigan mo. Pagtatanggol mo, ipaglulaban mo. You also have the High Priestess. This is your abilities and knowledge pagdating sa anything esoteric. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are into spirituality, using different sources, different forms of divination. That's how you also create money and you create abundance in your life. Yung iba sa inyo, you are healers. So, yung pagiging healer, that will also bring abundance in your life and you will use your abilities, talents, and gifts to heal other people. Pero alam niyo, Saj, meron at meron mga taong kukontra sa'yo sa mga ginagawa mo. But I think, kahit na ganon, mas ipapakita mo kung gaano ka kagaling. Kung gaano mo din deserve yung success na nararanasan mo. Embrace the power of dance and movement and access your highest guidance. O, diba? Ito yung pagiging flexible mo. Ito yung you are following your instinct, your intuition. You are accessing yung iyong highest guidance, yung wisdom mo, lalo mo tong pinalalawak. The connection to divine guidance is within you. Yes, you are divinely guided, Sagittarius. Meron kayong mission dito sa mundo para tumulong sa iba, mag-share ng abilities and knowledge ninyo that will definitely improve the life of humankind, kumbaga. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. So this is a brand new you. Bagong ikaw, new version. Okay? Some of you, ito yung tipong hindi aakalain ng iba na, ay, kaya pala to ni Sagittarius, or ganito, meron pala siyang ganitong abilities. So you will shock the world. You will shock the people around you na mga bagay na alam mo pala, ng mga bagay na kaya mo palang gawin. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.